Hello people, welcome to another What I Eat pregnant vegan gluten-free edition. I had this for my breakfast this morning and I just didn't finish it. So yeah, this is what I'm about to eat and then I'm gonna see y'all later. What's up y'all? I'm back with some lunch, taking me a little break. I got me a bean burger. I batch made some bean burgers and they just been in the freezer with my potatoes, veganaise, mustard, ketchup, and I'm using this bread right here. Hey y'all, I'm having me a little snack. This is soy milk, frozen banana, stevia, vanilla, and cinnamon. It's not super thick. I didn't want it super thick. It's so good. I've been doing this lately and it's really hitting the spot. It is really hitting the spot. Sometimes I add ice. I think I added a little bit of ice in here. I do this with frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple. It's super good, y'all. Hey y'all. I'm having more of these potatoes with some ranch I just made really quick. Veganaise and jalapeno pepper juice, some seasonings, a little stevia. It's just a little snack. So I will holler at y'all when I eat again. Hey y'all, I got a few of these potatoes and this is some Skinny Pop hints of lime popcorn. It's not really that good. I got a pear and a few cherries. All I've been doing is snacking, like I haven't eaten like a legit meal. I just been snacking on these potatoes. And I didn't finish the quinoa that I made earlier, the quinoa stir fry I made earlier, so I just been snacking on that as well. And yeah, if I eat again, y'all gonna know about it. Hey y'all. So this the last thing I'm gonna eat today. I'm just having some reduced fat, reduced salt chips with this black bean hummus. I love this and the edamame hummus. Every time I always say that I'm gonna try the carrot hummus, but I never do. I'm not the biggest fan of carrots. But this right here is good. I usually eat this with celery, bell pepper, and cucumbers. But I couldn't be bothered trying to clean it and cut it up today. So I just gonna eat it with this and call it a night. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So I got an OB appointment today. I'm about to eat this pizza. This is the Daya 3 Italian cheese blend pizza. And I put some Gardein meatless grounds, red onions, and spinach on the top. So yeah, I'm about to eat this. Hopefully I like it, but I usually like all the Daya pizzas, especially with the new cutting board cheese on it. I like that. But yeah, I'm going to eat this and then I'll see y'all for my next meal. Hello people. Here is me and little baby today. I'll be 23 weeks. 23 weeks tomorrow. Ah, look at that. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Me and little Abike all day. Abike, she sleep now. But this is the bump. 22 weeks, 6 days. So yeah, let me hurry up so I can go to the doctor and stop playing. Stop playing. Hey y'all, I'm just back from the doctor. Oh my god. I'm finna eat this lentil and buckwheat groat vegetable stew. I'm gonna put some nutritional yeast in it. It's so good. I made this a couple days ago. And I'm finna roast these ears of corn. I just shucked these. They freshly shucked. Look at me. On this same parchment paper from the potatoes from yesterday. Yes, okay. Just, yeah. We saving money over here. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat this because I was so hungry. Putting my key in the door, my hands was shaking. I was so hungry. But yeah, like I said, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Hey y'all. I just made me some cauliflower wings, and I'm eating it with the corn that I roasted in the oven. Oh, look at that. So bomb. I'm kind of salty though because I don't have any more vegan eggs, so I couldn't make me any ranch. But it's all good. It is so good, y'all. Now I'm gonna explain to you how I made these. How to make the best cauliflower wings every time. Preheat your oven to 450. You know, clean your cauliflower, get your batter together, dip it in there, and then bake it for 25 minutes. Flip it halfway through, okay? Flip it halfway through. After that 25 minutes, put it in your sauce. Then put it back into the oven, 450 again, for another 15-20 minutes. Then once you take it out that second time, put it in your sauce again. And so you will get these juicy, saucy, crispy wings like this. Okay, bye. I'm finna eat. Good morning, y'all. I got me some breakfast. This is some quinoa that I cooked yesterday, just plain, a little bit of salt, that's it. And I have some soy milk. I had the quinoa cooking in some soy milk with some stevia. And over here I have 2 green apples and a peach, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little bit of water, vanilla, lemon extract, some salt, and just a little bit of stevia. So I'm gonna put these together and then I'll show y'all my breakfast. Yeah, but I tasted both of it and it's promising, you know. It's showing a bunch of promise, you know. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how the breakfast looks. I just put some more soy milk on there to make it a bit creamier, and topped it with some chia seeds and some roasted pumpkin seeds because they are life. And I don't have no more walnuts, so boom. Hey y'all, this is my dinner. I made me like a little bootleg Mexican pizza. um these are 2 white corn tortillas with some what is it, with some, I made some red lentils with TVP the other day. Red onions, red peppers, garlic, all that stuff, and I put some collard greens in there too. So, and this is Daiya mozzarella style cheese on the top. And I got me a salad, so bomb. Cucumbers, red pepper, red onions, just an organic, like I think baby spring mix. Some ranch I made, some of these soy fake bacon bits, everything but the bagel seasoning. And I use these, I love these on my salad. These what people put on the top of a green bean casserole, the fried onion thingies. Yeah. So I'm about to eat this and boom. Yeah, that's probably it for today. Oh my god, okay. I just wanted to come back and say that this little bootleg vegan Mexican pizza is so good. And I put some Louisiana hot sauce on top because obviously me waking up out of my sleep with boiling putrid hot lava choking me to death out of my sleep last night was not enough for me, apparently. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna eat this. I just had to update y'all. Okay, bye. What's up, y'all? So I am up. I just made me some vegan rotel, and I'm about to eat this. It's just my nacho cheese sauce, but I added a can of rotel in here. Some of this soy rizo. I forget. I got it from Walmart. I forget what it's the Fritas or something like that. And I just opened up the casing and fried this with some Morningstar crumbles and some onion, red peppers, and garlic. And I just took some white corn tortillas and baked these in the oven at 375 for about 5 to 7 minutes. So yes, honey, it's super good. It did what I did right after this was done cooking. You know, after I cut the eye and everything off, I just put in a little bit of lemon juice. But yeah, this is it, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my plate. So yeah, this is how it looks. Super yummy. It's really good, y'all. Y'all should make this. Okay, but I'm finna eat. What's up, y'all? Today I'm having for lunch some beet greens. I just sauteed this with some red onions, garlic, ginger garlic paste, some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Over here I have some quinoa and buckwheat groats. There's a piece of lemon because it's super good on this soup and the beet greens. And a piece of roasted plantain and a piece of roasted sweet potato. And this is the soup that y'all saw me make. So it looks so good, y'all. I'm about to eat. Oh yeah, I got some lemon. I think I just told y'all that. Okay. Yeah, so I'm about to eat. Bye. So yeah, my dinner today is the same thing, except I added some of the balsamic carrots that I roasted the other day, and some Daya macaroni and cheese, the box kind. And yeah, I'm about to dig in. Yeah, so I'm apparently having some type of sweet tooth. So the baby told me to eat this. So I'm just gonna give me a bit of this on my plate. Yeah, and I'm gonna see if it's good or not. I never tried it before.